The Blackview A85 is Blackview's latest smartphone. It has a stunning design, cool features, and a very cheap price. Starting from on the 21st of November till the 29th, the Blackview A85 would be available for a very affordable price, as low as $119. So if you're interested in buying the Blackview A85, make sure to use the link in the video description. But before you do that, these are the top features of the Blackview A85. So the A85 is powered by the Unisoc T606 SoC. It flaunts a 6.5-inch 90Hz display. It utilizes 8 gigs of RAM. The RAM could be expanded virtually. The RAM could be expanded up to 14 gigabytes, and there is 128 GB onboard storage that could be expanded as well. It has a 50 megapixel main camera. It is 8.6mm thin, and it weighs just 193 grams. It ships with the Android 12 OS and is Blackview's UI on top. It has a fingerprint scanner that is embedded on the power button, which is located on the right side of the phone, and it also supports face unlock. On the left side is a dedicated key which could be used for different shortcut functions. The device also supports NFC. So these are the top features of the Blackview A85, and like I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in buying the phone, make sure to use the link in the video description. You could be able to get the Blackview A85 for a very cheap price, as low as $119, guys. Very affordable. What are your thoughts about the Blackview A85? Share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.